Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a YouTube video intro by using TechSmith library. This is the TechSmith library preview. Here is a lot of templates. You can choose anyone as you like. If you hover a template, you will see the example. This is the template example. It's really beautiful. Here is another template intro example. You can use any template as you want. Just need to download. Here is a Mac version and PC version. You can also choose any images. Here is a use images, icons, or you can also use audio file. All the files, that means video, image and audio, are royal free. You can use YouTube. There is no copyrighted issue. For better music, you can also use YouTube Music. Just click the button, click my channel, create your YouTube studio. Here is your all the videos. In the left side bar, click create. Here you can find many types of audio. This is a audio library and free music. To learn more, have different music in your videos, check its copyright policy. So in this tutorial I will use an audio file from YouTube. Hit the button, download. If you are newcomer in TechSmith, then you have to sign up. I already signed in, so this is my Windows version, so I need this. Download Mac. If you click this button, this file is already downloaded. Hello friends, I hope you are successfully downloaded the previous file. After completing downloaded the file, you have to import this file. So in this time we need to import. So in the top left corner in the file menu, click the button and then click import, then media. I already put this file in my desktop, name YouTube intro. So here is my audio file. I already imported this, and I need intro. So right click and then open. This file is now already opened. So here is, and this file is now already my media bin file. This is file. Right click, then click preview. This is the preview. So in this tutorial I will use this. So right click, then add to timeline, add playhead. This is my intro, so I need this in my first. So this is my intro and I need to be clear. Your file, and I have to use this in our template. So where is the preview? I don't need this title, so I have override this. I write odhayan.com. So we need to some cut. We don't need this audio file. So here is the video.